Okay, now let's crochet the tail of the strawberry cow. Find a suitable position behind the cow. Right about here, insert the hook into the stitch and pull it across and out. Yarn over. Grab the yarn and pull through the stitch. Then we are going to make 6 chain stitches. Follow me. This is the first one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After completing it, we turn the cow upside down. In the second chain from the hook, we begin making a single crochet, the first one. Next chain stitch, the second one. Next chain stitch, the third one. Next chain stitch, the fourth one. Next chain stitch, the last one. Leave a yarn tail and cut the yarn. Finally, tie the 2 yarn tails together. We can use the needle to hide the yarn inside the body of the cow. Great! Now our strawberry cow's tail is finished. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.